Angry relatives of a deceased woman patient went on a rampage in a government hospital in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh today. Well, for more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Priya Ji. And Priya, can you tell us what exactly is happening there and why?
Well, Nolan, as you can see, these are the relatives of a particular woman patient who was admitted to the hospital in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Now, the violent reactions came after the woman was passed away due to alleged medical negligence. Now, we do know that the relatives accused the hospital of proper criminal negligence, which was for a very, very simple surgery that the lady went in for. Now, we are also aware that it was a family planning surgery, which the world knows is an extremely simple surgery. We're also told that a needle was left inside her body after the surgery was performed, and that resulted in severe internal bleeding, and then the woman passed away yesterday. Now, this is what makes it worse is the fact that it is a government hospital, and indeed the victim's family went on rampage here. And the name of the victim was Madhulata, and she was seriously ill after the family planning procedure that was performed on her recently. And when her condition kept worsening, the relatives did obviously take her back for medical investigation again, which revealed that the intestines were badly infected. And when the scanning reports also revealed that a needle was left inside her body, the entire incident started to reek of absolute medical negligence, Nolan.
Now, do we have any information whether the police have taken the doctors into custody?
Well, as of now, we do know that the doctors have fled the hospital, Nolan, and right now they're nowhere to be found and also the family, the relatives and all the other women involved have just gone on a rampage, damaging the equipment at the hospital and the furniture. But as of now, the doctors are at large and they've not still been found by the police, Nolan.
Now, from what we see over here, Priya, is that these women are on a rampage. Do we have any idea whether the situation has been brought under control?
As of now, no, Nolan. The latest we've heard about the incident is that all these relatives went on rampage against the hospital, and indeed their anger is to a great extent justified, considering the fact that this was a very, very simple procedure. We are all aware that something like a family planning surgery usually doesn't take more than a couple of hours. And also, it's a very, very simple procedure. So, a needle being left behind, which has caused internal bleeding, which has eventually led to the lady, Madhulata, passing away, is indeed quite a shocking incident. Hopefully, the cops will bring the situation under control fast, and the doctor, the responsible doctor, will be brought to task, Nolan.
Now, Priya, considering what has happened, it's no wonder people are ready to pay hefty amounts or hefty sums and head to private hospitals than get treated in a government hospital.
Indeed, Nolan. Now, this is quite a disappointing example of the negligence that takes place regularly at government hospitals. This isn't the first case that has come to light, and it's quite unfortunate that for something like a family planning procedure, things going so wrong is not something anybody would have anticipated. At the same time, indeed, not everybody can afford private medical care, and that is the reason people still make a beeline for government hospitals. This is not a one-off incident. Incidents like this have taken place several times. We've heard of a lot of people dying because of medical negligence, because of the fact that they had very delayed medical attention. So hopefully, yes, it is a lot to hope for, especially at times like this when we see that it was obvious negligence on the part of the doctors, or at least the doctors should be able to come out and justify their mistakes. But in cases like this where the victim's family has gone on rampage, also the doctors must be pretty scared of the repercussions if they did manage to emerge in public and try to answer any of the questions that are posed to them. But yes, we do need a proper revamping of the government medical system. But it seems like a distant dream, considering a lot of people are now even more scared of going to government hospitals for the lack of facilities that are available there, Nolan.
Now, Priya, will any sort of compensation be provided by the government? Are we getting any information regarding that?
As of now, no, Nolan, but it is usually the route the government takes every time there is a mistake that is committed. Instead of revamping the system, or rather trying to eliminate the problem from the root, the government usually takes the easier route of just providing some kind of compensation. And there is a good chance that that will happen this time around as well. But what is the price that can be paid for a human life is the question that the government will really have to think about before letting government hospitals function in a particular manner that it has been doing so far, Nolan.
Right, Priya, thank you very much for all those details.